With the new video in the series of Notes app, and in this video we will run all of our tests together and do some slight tweaks in our test to make them run workable together. So for that we will go to our test source set, and in here we will right click and run our tests. So in our Android test source set we have all of our end-to-end tests in that, and these are 16 tests which will run together, and we will be able to verify all of our app functionality with these tests, and with this video we will be able to understand that it is worthy to write this end-to-end test because with these tests we can verify our app functionality in very fastly. Although these end-to-end test writing these end-to-end tests take a lot of time, but at the end result, when we want to verify app functionality, then it's a worthy effort. Okay, so our one test have been failed, and this is in add note screen test file, and failed at this point. So this test is failing. So on your side, when you will be running those tests, then it might be possible that you, in first attempt you won't face any test failed, and it might be possible that you found one test failed, or it might be possible that you found two tests failed. This is because there are two tests which are flaky tests. So flaky tests are those tests, let's say if we run all of our tests 3 times, it might be possible that they run successfully in first time, or it might be possible that they don't run successfully in first 2 attempts, and in third attempts they run successfully. So for that, to fix that, we just need to remove this advanced time by, because it's not delaying things as we want to expect. So for here we will use compose test rule dot wait until, use 4-second timer delay, and use this should navigate back variable, because we want to wait that this navigate back action, this navigate back method will be triggered. So for this test and for this last one, we need to make this small tweak. So wait until should navigate back. So yeah, this is it. So now we can, if we run our test source set again, then all of our tests will be passed. Okay, so all of our tests have been successfully passed, and we have verified all of our functionality within 3 minutes and 16 seconds. So this duration can be vary based on your system performance. It can be less time if you have a faster system. And next is we will verify this test source set, which contains our unit test and integration tests. So as this test won't require any virtual emulator device or any physical device, they will run directly on our development machine. So they will be run very fastly. So let's say we have 41 tests and they have been verified less than 1 second. So if we run those again, as in my current Android Studio, they are not showing each test one by one, but all of our total counts will be shown at the end. And now it has been again verified less than 1 second. So this is it for today's video. So I hope this series which contains detailed information on unit test, integration test and end-to-end test would be helpful for you for your current project and in your future projects as well. So this is it for this video, and I hope these are meaningful information for you. So if you still have any query or issue, facing any issue in this app, then do let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye.